few years ago, I did something cool. I took off 5 weeks from my business. I didn't check any messages. When I came back, everything was still running great. I now see how special that was. By the end of this video, I'll share how I'm growing my language learning business to give me both free time and money. Hi everyone, my name is Joe, and I'll share how I started my business and what I'm doing with it now. If you don't know me yet, I've been running online language learning businesses that help people learn Japanese and Korean for about 11 years. I learned one big lesson early on that changed how I run my business, and I'll share that with you soon. So what do? I run two language learning businesses, 90 Day Korean and 90 Day Japanese. 90 Day Korean is the main business. We have 4 main courses that will teach you how to be conversationally fluent in Korean in about 12 months. 90 Day Japanese is newer. Right now, we have a Hiragana Mastery course that will teach you the basics of the Japanese alphabet in 14 days. So what makes this different? We focus on the 20% of the language that gives you 80% of the results. This helps you learn faster. I came up with this method after learning Korean myself. I like clear steps and plans, and that's what we built into the courses. But the thing is, we didn't succeed right away. In fact, one choice I made early on almost ruined everything. Before this, I'd many different jobs: accounting, sales, and English teaching. The big change came when I was working as an instructor at a university in South Korea. We started really simple, just one free guide and a course. Like any business, we made lots of mistakes with building our processes and our systems. There's actually one problem that almost stopped us before we even got started. The problem early on was with our payment processing system. The first one was awful. Switching to Thrivecart fixed all of that. If you're looking for a checkout software, I'll put a link to it down below. Some big wins for us have been getting better course software, reaching 70,000 subscribers on YouTube, fixing our website problems, starting our second brand, 90 Day Japanese. But none of this would have mattered if I didn't use a key business idea right from the start. It's the same approach that let me take that 5-week vacation at the beginning of this video that I mentioned. I'm really happy I built this business in a way that doesn't require me to work on it every day. I'm still working on this, but I've made choices that give me more free time, even if that doesn't always mean that I've maximized the amount of money that I make. A few years back, I had this great moment where I was able to take off 5 weeks without checking a single message. It was great. Instead, I was able to explore upstate New York. I went to see glass being made at the Corning Museum. I saw Niagara Falls, and I got to do hiking in Watkins Glen. I did end up catching COVID on that trip, but that's another story. The business kept running while I was away, and I want to make sure to focus more on that type of freedom. Building a team was key for me early on. I'm trying to make choices now that will increase this type of freedom in the future. I should mention that I owe a ton to my team and to mentors that helped me along the way. I couldn't have done it without them. My team keeps the business running smoothly, and my mentors have saved me from making some big mistakes along the way. If you want more tips on how to grow your online business while still having a great lifestyle, make sure to like and subscribe. And that brings me to another important business lesson that I've learned, and something I'm really excited about now. I found that success is not just about money. It's about something that fits into your life and doesn't work against it. These days, I'm trying something that I call small bets. Instead of risking everything on one big idea, I'm trying smaller things that require less work, have smaller downsides, but lots of potential upside. It's changing how I think about growing my business. So that's my story, from a simple lead magnet to 2 websites that help language learners from all around the world. If you already have an online business that's working, but you're feeling stuck or stressed, I'm sharing what I'm learning on this channel. I'll talk about what's working for me, what's not working, and try to give some ideas about what might give you some more growth and freedom in your business.